Good morning students. In today's video we will discuss impact of tax and transaction cost on investment. We will discuss these one by one. Like we are first discussing impact of taxes on investment. As is visible on your screen. The return on investments are subject to taxes. Therefore, an investor shall not ignore the effect of taxes while valuing investment opportunities. Like for example, we know that dividends received by shareholders from domestic companies are exempt from tax. Income earned by way of capital gain from sale of shares is divided into two categories: short-term capital gains and long-term capital gains. If a security is sold within 1 year from the date of its acquisition, it is referred as short-term capital gain. However, यदि ये पीरियड 1 ईयर से एक्सीड कर जाता है तो वो लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन बन जाता है. शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन आर सब्जेक्ट टू टैक्सेस एट द रेट ऑफ 15%, whereas long term capital gains, if these are over rupees 1 lakh, then these are chargeable to tax at the rate of 10% for the listed securities. Similarly, interest earned on debentures is subject to tax in the hands of debenture holder. So, in order to know the taxable return, the investor may use the formula as visible on your screen, which is tax-free rate divided by 1 minus tax rate. After knowing this, the investor may make the decision which security or which investment will generate better return and can take the investment decision accordingly. Next, we are looking at the transaction cost in investment. Transaction cost, as you can see on your screen, refers to the expenses incurred on buying and selling a security. It includes brokerage, commission, fees and direct taxes. जहाँ तक कंपोनेंट्स की बात है, कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शन कोस्ट आर टू. फर्स्ट इज एक्सप्लिसिट कोस्ट, सेकंड इज इम्प्लिसिट कोस्ट. एक्सप्लिसिट कोस्ट को ऐसा इसलिए कहा जाता है क्योंकि ये ट्रेड प्राइस पे डिपेंड नहीं करते एंड नॉर्मली अलग ही डॉक्यूमेंटेशन इनका किया जाता है. Explicit cost involves the elements as visible on your screen. Like the very first one is brokerage and commission. This is the amount which is paid to intermediaries for executing the trade. या तो ये एज पर शेयर चार्ज किया जाता है या परसेंटेज बेस्ड ऑन टोटल ट्रांजैक्शन वैल्यू चार्ज किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज मार्केट फीस. Market fees are paid to trading venues for executing trade on their platforms. These fees vary. Normally higher volume के लिए lower fees charge किए जाते हैं. Next is clearing and settlement charges. These costs are related to the process where the securities are transferred from one investor to another. Next is taxes and stamp duties. These are visible and variable cost components. Next component is implicit cost. These are normally invisible and include things like, first one is spread. Spread is the difference between the price paid by the broker for the security and price at which he is selling it. यानी कि यदि ब्रोकर ने शेयर को 500 में परचेज किया है और 550 में सेल किया है तो 50 रुपीज़ जो है वो स्प्रेड होगा. Next is market impact. Market impact is the price shift due to trade size. तो इसके दो डिटर्मिनेंट है, वन इज ट्रेड साइज एंड सेकंड इज मार्केट लिक्विडिटी अवेलेबल एट द टाइम ऑफ ट्रेड. Next and last element is opportunity cost. The cost related to price fluctuation during the time required to act on an investment decision are opportunity cost. यानी कि जब हमने ट्रेडिंग डिसीजन लिया है और जब ऑर्डर एग्जीक्यूट हुआ है उसके बीच में आने वाले चेंजेस कोस्ट को हम अपॉर्चुनिटी कोस्ट बोलते हैं. So these are the different components of transaction cost, and with this we come to an end to our main topic, that is impact of tax and transaction cost on investment. The investor will evaluate these costs carefully in order to take sound investment decision. Thank you.